welcome back to my channel. I am Sameera Sharif. Andarki namaskaram. Nenu mi Sameera Sharif. Ellarku vanakkam. Na unga Sameera Sharif. So yes guys, many of y'all have been asking me about my skincare routine, so I thought why not start with my weekly skincare routine. So I generally scrub my skin twice every week. So I have two different face scrubs and both these face scrubs are by Mamaearth. Now you guys know how much I love Mamaearth, simply because Mamaearth is plastic positive, which means they recycle way more plastic than they use. And also guys, now the brand is certified by PETA as cruelty free, and of course Mamaearth products are chemical free and made up of natural ingredients. So before jumping into the video, I'm going to show you guys both the scrubs that I have. The first scrub that I have is the Upton face scrub. So you guys know that I've been using the Upton face mask. So if you haven't seen the video, I'll link it right here. You can go and check it out. Now talking about this face scrub, it is made up of turmeric, walnut, coconut oil and saffron. So turmeric protects the skin naturally, and walnut is a good exfoliator, and coconut oil protects from harmful UV rays, and saffron contains many vitamins and antioxidants that are beneficial for our skin. Next up I have this face scrub, and this is the charcoal face scrub, and this is made up of active charcoal, walnut and tea tree. And you guys know active charcoal absorbs excess oil and cleanses the pores, and walnut is rich in vitamin B and helps in removing the tan, and tea tree prevents acne and promotes clear skin. So now both the face scrubs are paraben and silicone free. They are dermatologically tested, and the Upton face scrub suits all skin type, whereas the charcoal face scrub, it suits normal and oily skin. So now I'm going to take the scrub rub challenge by Mamaearth. So I'm going to use the charcoal face scrub, as I don't need tan removal. I don't need the Upton face mask right now because I've been home and I don't feel any need of tan removal, but of course I need to exfoliate my skin. This gently exfoliates the skin and removes dead skin, and also removes skin impurities. Alright guys, so today I'm gonna scrub my face using the charcoal face scrub, and you can buy all Mamaearth products on Amazon, Nykaa and also on their website. Don't forget to use the coupon code Sameera2020 to avail 20% discount. So now this scrub works really good for normal and oily skin. It is paraben and silicone free, and it is dermatologically tested. Alright, so now I'm going to do the scrub rub challenge by Mamaearth. So I'm going to take so much, and I'm just going to scrub on the right side of my face, and once I rinse it off, we can see a proper difference between my left and right side of the face. Now let's go. So you just need to apply like so. And once you apply it, you need to start massaging it into a circular motion. So make sure whenever you're massaging anything on your face, or you're scrubbing or anything, take it in a circular motion, and it has to go outwards like so. So focus more on your chin, on your nose and on your forehead, because this is the place where we would need maximum exfoliation. Between your brows, my nose gets oily very often, and by scrubbing twice a week, it really gets nice exfoliation, and all the whiteheads and blackheads are removed. Alright, so now that I'm done scrubbing my face, I'm going to rinse it off and come right back and show you guys the difference. Alright guys, so I've just rinsed off my face. Let me pat dry and show you guys. So now as you can see, this side of my face is more clear than this side. I mean, I can already see all this area very soft and smooth, and my nose I can very clearly feel the difference, and also my skin feels all clear and exfoliated, and this side it is still quite rough. I mean, I can still feel the bumps of the blackheads. So if you do this twice a week or at least once a week, you will definitely see the results. And now I'm going to throw this scrub rub challenge to you guys. Try the Mamaearth scrubs and let me know how does that feel, because these scrubs are one of the best products that I've come across, and I will definitely recommend this to you guys. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and now you can buy Mamaearth products on Amazon, Nykaa, and also on their website. And now you can use the coupon code Sameera2020 to avail 20% discount. So now I'm throwing this challenge onto all of you guys. Take up the scrub rub challenge by Mamaearth and share your experiences with me. And I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next. Lots of love.